Why are devices like vacuum cleaners, hand dryers, hair dryers, and MRT trains so loud? Despite advancements in technology, manufacturers often prioritize power and cost over noise reduction. Powerful motors make them effective, but quieter alternatives require costly materials and engineering. For larger systems like MRT trains, noise comes from friction, vibrations, and infrastructure limits. Upgrading these systems is expensive and time-consuming, but loud machines add stress to daily life. It's time for innovation that balances performance with user comfort. Let's demand smarter, quieter solutions for a better tomorrow. Share your thoughts in the comments below.